Hey, my name is Sharyq. I'm a designer here at FRC Team Cash Money. And alongside my friends Jay
Hi, I'm Jay.
and Lorelei,
Hi, I'm Lorelei.
we will be teaching you CAD. Now, what exactly is CAD? CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, and what that basically means is we will be making components and assemblies in a digital environment. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on Autodesk Inventor. There are several different programs for this, such as Fusion 360 and Onshape, but in this tutorial, we will not be using those. Inventor is a Windows-only program, so if you have a MacBook, you may want to go to our next tutorial on how to set up Boot Camp on your Mac, so that way you can run Windows. Once you're done with that, you can come back here. If you never left the video, let's get set up. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Autodesk's website. You can do this by either Googling it or going to your search bar and typing in autodesk.com. The next thing you're going to want to do is click the menu button, go under Products, and click Inventor. This will bring you to Inventor's product page. So we're just going to wait for this to load a bit. Now, once you're here, press Download Free Trial. You're going to want to read all these. Again, if you're not using Windows, you're going to want to watch our bootcamp tutorial on how to get it on Mac. Next, you're going to want to make sure you have 14 gigabytes available. This is a big program. Next, this is sort of recommended. Just make sure your internet's fast so you can download this fast. If you understand all this, click Next. Now this is where it sort of diverges. If you're a business user, you're going to want to buy this through your company. If you're a student or teacher, continue with us. We're assuming you're a robotics student here. So once you have this, you can go to the education community. And this will bring you to Inventor's education page. Now, once you're here, you're going to want to sign in. If you already have not, you're going to want to create an account. Now, if you have an account, you're going to want to make sure it's verified as an education account. It's pretty simple. They'll respond to you within 20 minutes. Just send them a documentation that you are a student. What I did was I just sent in my student ID, which you should get from your school. Now, once you got verified, you can click over here to get version. I'm going to click the latest one, Inventor Professional 2021, operating system, Windows 64. I don't know why they give that option since it only supports one. And language, since I'm an English speaker, I'm going to choose English. Now, once you're here, you're going to want to just read over this. You can install this onto up to 2 personal devices, and you can press Install Now. It'll give you this little thing. You're going to want to read through this. I've already read through this because I have this program installed on my computer, and you're going to click Install. Autodesk will bring you through this process. It's pretty simple. So just go through this, and you go through the exe. It's totally safe, and you should be good. Just note again that Autodesk is a big program. You gotta make sure you have enough space, or else you won't be able to run it. Once you've installed it, you have Inventor, and you're all good. Thanks for watching this tutorial. On our next tutorial about how to use it, you'll be learning how to navigate Inventor and take advantage of its workflow.